In this video, I will show you how to set up Verizon voicemail to text. So to do that, first of all, you have to download the Verizon app from the Play Store, or you can simply go to Chrome. In the search bar, search for Verizon, then click on the URL. From here, sign into your account and buy a membership. After that, what you have to do is click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top right corner. From here, you will find add-ons or account services. Simply click on it. After that, there you will find voicemail to text option. Click on it, then add it to your phone. After that, what you can do is simply open your phone's app, then click on the caller's account who has sent you the voicemail. After that, you can simply click on voicemail and then play it. From that, the first 45 seconds of the voicemail will be converted to text. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.